Hey everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to add images to a blog post. Some students struggle with this. I think it's just, you have to sort of work with it, try it a bunch of different ways. Most Fridays we will do something called Meme the Week. We did this in Writing 101 as well, so a lot of you are used to it. But it's basically where you capture a meme that describes how you're feeling this week or whatever. And then you're going to write about it. So to do it, you might write. Here I'm just kind of write about how I feel this week or whatever, and then you want to include the meme. What you'll do here is you can add media. You can do a couple of things. I might upload. I like to save things to my desktop on my computer. So even if it's fussing with me and won't allow me to save it to my computer, I might just take a screenshot of it and save it to my desktop. And then go over here, select file. I'm just going to find, like, here's a screenshot of Roxanne Gay. So I'll choose it. It kind of uploads it to this collection of images that are already in my media library. And it's taking a minute. And then it's already checked, so I just insert it into post. Okay. For some reason, when you do this weird, funky screen, sometimes it comes up. You can just erase that wherever it says that alt text stuff. I think, let me try to minimize this. I think you might be able to also just drag pictures in. I think some students have had success with that. Let's try that out. So if I have this image, let's see if I can just upload. Okay, so it takes you through the same process. If I drag it from my desktop over and insert that way, see, notice it does that again. I'm just going to remove that. You could do it that way. I think students, when they get the biggest hiccups, it's because they're trying to, like, maybe insert an image from a URL or something like that. But usually those will work too. Like, even if I do like a mindfulness, okay, say I want to put this video in. Usually you can go in, you can grab that URL, go back into posts. This is for those who maybe you want to, put a GIF or GIF. I never know how to say that into your posts. You can insert that way. Let's try this. Insert into posts that way. Yeah. So my biggest thing is just try to go in and use this add media function. I think it's most helpful. And if you're still having problems, I think, and here's an insert image thing too. I'm wondering if students have used that before and gotten confused. Instead of that insert image, go up here to add media to post. And if that doesn't work, choose a different browser. I use Safari as default, but if that's not working, because sometimes it does, it'll fuss with like Blackboard or something, I'll switch to Firefox or switch to Chrome. So sometimes you do have to switch browsers to get it to work. But the goal is to try to get those images in there. I know we can do it, enough of us have, because they do help make those daily writes just more interesting and more, sometimes funny and more visually appealing and stuff like that. All right, hope that was helpful.